It's Reed. I'm back with the Porter Cable belt sander. Let's take a look. We want to show this thing running. It's a 3x21. If I'm not badly mistaken, this is a USA made. It's a USA made Porter Cable. Everybody loves it. It's huge, as most all of our items usually are. It says Jackson, Tennessee on it. I did a little research a while back about the age of these. I was thinking that these right here were I had thought that these Porter Cable USA tools like this, I thought they were 90s. This one right here is in really nice condition, actually, man. I mean, look how clean that is. It's used. It's got some sand and sawdust on it, but I found out that Porter Cable, they stayed in the US even up in the 2000s. So here's this one. It's gonna throw a little dust out. It's a variable speed. Hopefully you could hear that. It was adjusting down from, it goes from 1 to 6. We cleaned a little bit of dust and dirt out of it. Good tool. It's a model 352VS variable speed 3x21 belt sander, made in the USA, Porter Cable.